What sounds better than an unrestricted V8? One that doesn't drone. How do you achieve both on the 5.3 equipped Silverado and Sierra? Strap in and I'll show you. Hey everyone, it's Sarah from AWE, and we're about to give you the rundown on the 0FG Catback for your 4th Gen 5.3 Silverado and Sierra models. Let's go. The 0FG is a true catback exhaust featuring 3-inch T304L stainless steel with a wall thickness of 0.065 inches, sourced right here in the USA, baby. All that sweet stainless runs into our patented 180 technology resonator. This is where all the magic happens, and by magic, I mean killing drones. Let me show you.
Right now we're cruising at about 65 miles an hour. You really would not be able to tell that there's a system on this truck. You can hear the road noise, you can hear the rain. It's raining right now, you guys can probably tell. But there's no indication that there's an aftermarket system on here until you do this. When you drop the hammer, you wake up those deep V8 sounds that you're going for. But when you lift out of it and bring the RPM range down, the 180 technology allows you to have a peaceful cabin when you're cruising, but you still get those deep tones when you jump on it. See? Magic.
Exiting our 180 tech resonator, the 3-inch piping extends all the way through the Y split to the back, where we find this configuration of quad 4-inch double-walled slash-cut tips, available in diamond black or chrome silver, and the 0FG sounds a little bit like this. If your truck is equipped with the flat bumper without cutouts, you have 2 options. A dual rear exit with 5-inch straight cut tips, or a single side exit with 2 4.5-inch double-walled slash-cut tips. Both of these configurations available in chrome silver or diamond black. Each exhaust is 100% bolt-on, emissions-friendly, and features our perfect fitment guarantee, no check engine light guarantee, and lifetime warranty. Designed, engineered, and manufactured with precision in-house here at AWE for you and your Silverado or Sierra. For more information, sound clips, and to grab one for yourself, head to AWESilveradoSierra.com. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. Any questions, drop them in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.